everyone, this is Professor Harmon, and this is a quick tutorial to just show you how to navigate through the course site and also to explain the tabs on the left side of the Blackboard page. So as soon as you enter English 114, you'll be directed to the welcome page. The welcome page just provides an overview of the course description and the learning objectives. As you scroll down through the tabs, you'll notice that the second tab is the Announcements tab. Now, when you click on that, what will come up are any announcements that I have posted. I usually post announcements on a weekly basis, sometimes once, sometimes twice a week. So please be sure to check that page. I sometimes might change, let's say, due dates, or I might change types of assignments. So please check that page. There's nothing there yet, but there will be. The next tab is just some information about myself. You'll see that it provides my contact information, some social media information, and then some of my background information. So feel free to read that at your leisure. The Overview tab takes you to some documents, the course syllabus, my expectations, the grading policy, and also some policy statements that you should read over from Georgian Court. The Grades tab is for you to take a look at your grades. It takes you right to the assignments and the grades when they've been posted. The Tools page just gives an overview of some Blackboard tools. You might not need any of those right now, but you will in the future. And I'll let you know when you need to take a look at those. Now, the meat of the course, I would say, is right here. Unit 1, 2, and 3. So each unit aligns with one of the volumes in your anthology that you should have received or purchased by now, the Norton Anthology. So Unit 1 is Volume C. That is the first volume we are going to be working in. We're going to be working chronologically. So basically we're starting on a literary timeline, and we're starting between 1865 and 1900, which was known as the Gilded Age. So that is Unit 1. So if you take a look, all of the agenda items and our itinerary are listed for Unit 1, okay? You'll see that your assignments are in bold and they are within each week for Unit 1, okay? You will only see the assignments that are due for the upcoming week, okay? Sometimes I will let you see the ones for the following weeks, but just be patient right now because I would like you just to focus on what is due for week 1, okay? And you'll notice as you go through, you'll see that there is an agenda item that is in blue, okay, writing about literature. So that actually is going to be a video that you're going to be reviewing. So writing about literature, focusing on the thesis, or writing about literature, how an essay works. This is a lot of great information for how to write an analytical thesis and literary paper, and those videos are under unit videos. See, writing about literature. So you'll be required to take a look at these as we go through the unit. Because my job in this course is not only to ensure that you understand the literature, but my job is to ensure that you are a critical reader and a critical writer. And we are going to be building on those skills throughout our time together. Okay, so this is where you'll see all of our readings, what we're going to be doing, and our agenda items. Notice the dates are there. Notice your first exam will be between October 1st and October 7th. Let's go over now to Unit 2. Unit 2, we jump into the modernist time period. That will be mostly in your second anthology, which is Volume D. Okay, and then Unit 3, we will move into a more contemporary period, and that will be Volume E. Okay. As you scroll down, you'll see it says Unit Readings. This is some great information, all right, and a lot of times you will be quizzed on this information, so it's really important that you get an overview of the time period before you jump into the readings. So it's crucial that you read you go through these folders before we really even start the units. Okay, so I would definitely read over this within this week. Unit videos, I'll be uploading unit videos as we go through the semester, but right now I only have videos uploaded that relate to the writing process and writing about literature. And I would definitely recommend taking a look at these as we go through the units. Okay? Assignments, this is an overview of the different types of assignments that you will be receiving over the course of the semester. So your class participation is incorporated in your discussion board posts, and this is considered minor assessment. You will be expected to do a self-assessment reflection journal at the end of each week, and we'll be going into more detail later on. That's going to be considered a minor assessment. Reading quizzes you'll be given periodically, all right, and that they will be multiple choice and constructive response. You'll also have to do a couple papers, and then you'll have 3 exams. Okay, your minor assessments are 30% of your final grade. Your major assessments are 70%. Course dialogue, that's where your discussion posts will be. So your first discussion forum, I would like you to introduce yourself. Please introduce yourself by Wednesday, and then I would like you to respond to your peers by Sunday. So anytime you have a discussion board post assignment, it will be under course dialogue. Please, if you have any questions, post them, or if you just want to discuss off-topic conversations with your peers, you can put them in the Cyber Cafe. All right, so feel free to play around and check out what the site has to offer. My journal entries, you will be required to submit a journal entry reflecting on what you've learned each week, and we'll go more into detail as we get through the week. Textbook info and resources, the textbook info is here. You have access to the ebook and also the companion site for the Norton Anthology, which is a great resource. Notes, just some notes that I'll be uploading throughout the course of the semester, but here are some general ones for now. These workshops, when you click on the folder, it will take you actually to the website, the companion website for Norton Anthology. You need to log in, you need to set up an account. And then we're going to be working with these workshops as we go through the semester. All right. Some helpful links, some really great links for writing resources, MLA formatting, some critical reading resources that I'll be posting, and then some resources related to the tutoring center. All right, so that's just an overview of managing and maneuvering through the course site. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or give me a call. Thanks. I look forward to seeing you on the discussion board forum.